Singapore, children and staff at 5 more PCF Sparkletots preschools have reported symptoms of food poisoning, bringing the total number of cases to 222 as of 4 p.m. on Thursday, March 28. The previous tally was 184 at 4 p.m. on Wednesday, up from 109 previously. The Ministry of Health, MOH, also announced that there were another 16 cases at planned student care center on Friday, bringing the total number of cases to 238. The 12 PCF preschools and planned student care center were all served by Kate's Catering, which has been suspended. Of those affected, 14 remain in hospital but are in stable condition, while 11 have been discharged. The 5 latest PCF centers affected are at Sengkang Central Block 231, Punggol Coast Block 326, Paya Lebar Block 221 and Toa Payoh Central Blocks 79B and 146A. On Friday, PCF Chief Executive Victor Bay said, "We are taking this matter seriously and our priority remains to ensure that our children receive the necessary medical care and attention, and to provide the relevant support for all affected parties." He said PCF is in close contact with the affected parents and is monitoring the condition of the children, adding that principals, teachers, senior management of PCF, and he himself have been visiting the children in hospitals and extending help to the families. Children who are still in hospital currently are in stable condition and we look forward to welcoming them back to school eventually, he said. Preschool operator will continue to assist the authorities with their investigations, he added. PCF has made temporary arrangements for an in-house cook to provide meals to the affected preschools. The authorities were notified of the first cluster of cases last Friday, March 22, and conducted an inspection of the caterer's premises on the same day. Additional clusters of cases were reported on Monday, prompting the National Environment Agency, NEA, to instruct Kate's Catering to suspend its operations with effect from Tuesday, pending investigations by the Agri-Food and Veterinary Authority of Singapore, AVA, MOH and NEA. Food handlers were sent for stool screening, and food and environmental samples were taken for testing as part of the investigations. When contacted by Saint, a spokesman for Kate's Catering said it was working with the respective authorities. In its update on Friday, March 29, MOH said that food poisoning or food-borne illness often causes vomiting and diarrhea which may lead to dehydration, especially in young children and the elderly. It is important for affected people to rehydrate by drinking plenty of fluids and seek medical attention if necessary, the ministry said. In an earlier response to queries on Wednesday, the Early Childhood Development Agency, ECDA, said it was working with the authorities to investigate the outbreak of gastroenteritis at the preschools. It added that along with MOH, NEA and AVA, ECDA had issued a food hygiene advisory to all preschools on March 7. A parent who only wanted to be known as Madam Tan, 34, said, "It's not really their fault, we can't really blame the school." Her 2-year-old, who attends the PCF center at Block 270 Sengkang Central, had experienced vomiting, diarrhea and fever of up to 38.5 degrees, but recovered in a day. Pasir Ris Punggol GRCMP Teo Serluk told the Straits Times on Friday, "I am very concerned about this issue, especially since this is not the first food poisoning case to occur this year. A thorough investigation must be conducted, and a good explanation must be given to all parents. PCF is taking all precautions to uphold food hygiene and implement further safety measures," he added. Additional reporting by Doi Pang Min Lay and Charmaine Ning.